This is a 2008 Chevrolet Tahoe, a vehicle with safety, comfort, and space. It features a 6.0-liter 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a limited-slip differential, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a low-tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: heated front seats, air conditioning, cruise control, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, steering wheel controls, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
I-5 Toyota is located at 1950 Northwest Louisiana Avenue in Shore Hills. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.